sing for you. You can do it. There's a red and purple fish. Can you put it in? Can you put it in? Here, you try. Uh-oh, you missed. Can you put it in? Can you put it in? You did it! You made it go in the fishbowl. Can you put this one in? It's orange and yellow. Can you put it in? Can you put it in? What is it? It's right there. You put it in the fishbowl? Where's your fish? Where's the fish? You put the fish in the fishbowl? You put the fish in the fishbowl?
Turn what on?
You put the fish in the fishbowl? Where's it go?
You made the lantern. I put the lights in.
Where's it go? Where's that fish go?
Oh, goodness gracious.
Where's that fish go?
Excuse me, buddy, excuse me.
Where's the fish go? Goes in the... Oh! You did it! Yay! Stick it back out. Bye-bye, fish. Can you put them in the fish bowl? Yeah! Can you put the fish in the fish bowl? Can you put a fish in the fish bowl? Can you put a fish in the fish bowl? What about this fish? Where's he go? Could you put him in his home? That's not what you do. Where's the fish go? Where's the fish go? Where's it go? Where's the fish? You got him. Where's he go? Now what do you do with him? Now what do you do with him?
No, you do not put that stuff on the door handles.
Where's the fish go? You did it! Where's this fish go? Where's the fish go? Where's it go? What are you going to do with the fish? Where's it go? Uh-oh, you missed. Try again. Where's that fish go? Oh, where's the fish go? You put him in the fish bowl? No, don't push him away. Where's he go? Yeah, you want to make it sing? Put the fish in the fish bowl.
Liam, what are you doing, kid?
Where's it go? No, you do it. Don't make mommy do it. You do it.
Here in the kitchen.
Where's the fish go? Where's the fish go? You put him away? You put him away? Where's the fish go?
This is why we don't use stuff like that.
Uh-oh, you
Because
dropped
then
them.
it gets broken.
Where's the fish go?
Put your flip-flop down.
No, we're not going to shake it. Where's the fish bowl? Where's the fish go? You put the fish in his
Here,
home?
give that to me. Didn't I just tell you about 4 minutes ago not to play with this?
Where's it go?
Didn't I?
Where's it go?
Fix it.
Where's the fish go? Thanks, everyone.